Hello and welcome to Magical Maiden's Reviews. I'm Magical Maiden, and today what I have for you is something really fun from Ren Fio, RenFio, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about it, and I'm going to use it in a craft. So let's get started. So before I get started with this review, I want to let you know the link for this product will be below this video in the description box. So don't forget when you're done watching this video to go check it out. On Amazon, Fio it's chunky and fine mixed glitter. It's got holographic, fine and mixed iridescent glitters, and it's great if you're going to be doing resin jewelry or anything in resin. It's great for crafts. It's great even for your nails and for your hair. You can DIY a snow globe and so many other things. So this is the Chunky and Fine Mixed Glitter by Ren Fio. And I'm going to go ahead and open this up. It comes in a package like this, see? And then we take it out and look at that. So look at that. Now it looks much better in person. It's very high, glittery, shiny. And I make a lot of crafts using glitter. I've made a lot of jewelry using glitter. So it's always good to have different types of glitters around. And the fact that this is also holographic opal, it's chunky. It's a mix of chunky and fine glitter. And I like that. And it gives it that extra sparkle that you want when you're doing any kind of crafting. And it's also good to put in your hair or do your nails with. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you that the top of it, you could put a spoon in there or you can have it sprinkled. See? But we're going to unscrew it. And this protective paper, that shine in there. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to do a craft making a glass cabochon pendant. Now you can use this for many different things. Like I said, in little paintings, if you want to do get a nice canvas and sprinkle that around. I've used glitter for that. And now what I'm going to do, and you could either use some clear nail polish for this craft or some Mod Podge, but I'm just going to go ahead and use a little clear nail polish, and I'm making sure that I use enough on the glass cabochon. Doing some nice even strokes. Okay. And now I'm going to put that aside, and then you want a piece of paper or something. This way you don't waste it, because once it falls on the paper, you can fold it and pour it back. And now I'm just going to go all over. And look. And then we're going to paint the back of it when it's dry, and we can see how nice that is. So if you want to add a little more, just gather some of this back up. And then lightly sprinkle it. And I'm going to put that aside because I think that's enough. And now I'm going to gather all this into a crease and pour it back in. But look at that glitter. I don't know if you're getting that with the camera. So let me remove the cabochon and put this aside and let you see the little pieces. See, it's chunky and fine, and it's very shimmery and glittery, and I love that kind of glitter. It works great for crafts. Before I do anything else, while that's drying, I'm going to show you what it looks like on my nail. I'm going to take one of my nails, and forgive them, they're growing back. I do a lot of crafts. Oop, there's one already stuck on there. Okay, so I'm just going to put a little clear nail polish on my nail. Just a little. And then I'm going to just put some of this And look, now I'm going to put another coat of clear nail polish to seal that in. And let that dry. And look how pretty that would be. If you already have another color, it would work best if you had a color on your nails and they dried, and then you put some clear nail polish or a clear coat or a top coat of clear, and then you sprinkled some of this glitter on your nails and then put another coat of clear after that dries, and then your nails would be so nice and glittery and they would definitely look different. So I just did the one now to show you, because to do it correctly, I think it's best to have a nice color underneath it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to move it all over the place so you can get a great look at that. Now what I do is I just go like this and blot some color with my nail polish. I used black because I thought it would make all the glitter and the holographics of the glitter stand out. So let's take a peek. Oh, look at that. It's coming out nicely. Just look at that. It's so nice. All right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to read a little bit about it to you. Okay. So when you go click that link and go to Amazon, you have the Renfio Opal Chunky Glitter. It's got blue glitter, it's dreamy, it's high sparkle glitter for crafts, holographic fine glitter mix. It's iridescent glitters, flake for resin, nails, art, hair, and if you want to DIY a snow globe. So the color is called Azure Sky, and it's very pretty. It's got purples in here, light blues and dark blues, and just some greens, and I just love the mixture of colors. Okay, so there are other colors to choose from when you go there. So you'll see that there's Autumn Lake, Azure Sea, Christmas Carnival, Lakeside Leaf, and Ocean Wave. And so you could check those out. It's got a double sparkle effect. And it's specifically designed opal chunky glitter mixed with holographic glitter, making the shimmer, the metal glitter powder blend seamlessly. And it's so refractive, and the translucent flakes make it really look great. There's little sequins for crafts. It creates a luminous and dynamic shadow effect, which is good. Chunky glitter for crafts and other projects like your nails. Or if you want to put that, sprinkle it in your hair. You know, if you're going to go out and you want to go to a party, you could sprinkle a little. Or if it's Halloween time and you want some glitter in your hair, if you were pretending to be a mermaid, you could put that in your hair as well. Dreamy rainbow brilliance, the transparent iridescent glitter and the chunky creates a crystal clear look, and it makes a lustrous rainbow-like colors in different lights. So when you put it in different lights, you can see the different colors. Like I said, there's gold, there's purple, there's so much going on in here. You could see it better when it's on there. It's made from different size particles, so it's a combination, and it gives a dimensional and layered sense and look, and different sizes of chunky glitter for crafts. It produces different reflections under light, allowing that handcraft to take on a varied and rich appearance in different angles and lighting. Cabochon dries. I'm going to show you how pretty it looks independent. Okay, so here it is. It's all dry. It's all finished. I got paint all over me and glitter, but this is it. This is what the pendant's going to look like. Isn't that really nice? I love the way it came out. And I'm just going to show you a little closer to the camera without it, if it doesn't get too. There, look at the pieces of glitter all in there. and it has a really high shine in the dark. And then with the light on, it's really going to look pretty when you wear it. And see all that light being reflected from the different colors inside there. So you could do that with a lighter color as well, or a darker color. And if you didn't want to do it in a craft, if you're not that crafty of a person and you'd rather just do your nails and your hair with that, or if you'd rather do it in a home decor craft like a painting or a snow globe, you could do that as well. But just look at this. Look how pretty that came out. I'm very happy with this pendant, and I'm very happy with this glitter by Renfino. So I can 100% recommend this for anybody that really wants a fun glitter that really gives it a nice shine. And look at that. So go ahead and remember to click that link below this video and go click it and check it out on Amazon. The chunky and fine mixed glitter, it's got such nice iridescent colors and holographic flakes in there and sequences, and it's just really pretty. And this is the Azure Sky color, and they have all those other colors that I told you about. So definitely you want to check it out now, and it's very inexpensive. And it really is a nice glitter and a fun glitter to use. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my videos. Bye.